Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative, unique, beautiful and stylish in itself, because in this video I am sharing a very beautiful, stylish, creative and extremely eye-catchy, never seen before, unique ideas of hand embroidery design ideas. Friends, you can use these very beautiful embroidery patterns for designing any type of DIY creative stuff. Like you can make these onto your dresses, you can make these patterns onto your shirts, kurti, onto your sweatshirts, onto your baby dresses, or as a beautiful and artistic and creative piece of art, as a hoop art. And not only this, you can also design your DIY stylish girls accessories. Like you can make this pattern onto your handbags, onto your clutch bags, claspers, onto your school going, or any type of creativity that you want to create along with your vanity bags, makeup bags, pouches. And not only this, you can also design these very beautiful and pretty hand embroidery designs onto your mobile covers, and many more creativities like baby girl dresses and many more. So stay tuned for watching very beautiful, stylish and creative hand embroidery ideas and more related fashion designing ideas on my channel on daily basis. So hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new video. Up till then, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends and family.